my channel. So today's video is going to be a full out tutorial on exactly how I got my hair from this kinky curly texture to this straight texture. I will be showing you guys from start to finish on how exactly I do this. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching. All the supplies that I will be using in this video will be down below in the description section. And I also will be showing you guys at the end whether or not this hair reverts to its kinky curly texture after it has been straightened. So if you guys are interested to see exactly how I do that, then definitely keep watching this video. The wig unit that I have is from Annabelle. I have their kinky curly lace front wig in the length 20-inch. The density I believe is about 150%, and the color is in a natural black color. The unit does come with 4 combs in the inside as well as adjustable straps, and I believe the size that I got is a petite size. The lace front does fit very snug to my head, and I did not have to cut the ear tab. So I did want to show you how the hairline looks. The hairline is slightly pre-plucked, but I did go in and customize the hairline some more. So I did want to show you guys exactly how the kinky curly texture is straight out of the box. This is exactly how it is. It's really tightly curled. So the first step that I did is I went ahead and wet the entire wig unit. And after I did that, I went in with a Denman brush and I brush the hair with the Denman brush just to make sure that I get all the loose hair that I got when I plucked the front hairline. Now the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the hair. Now of course the hair is wet, so I will be going in with my straightening blow dryer. I will be applying some heat protectant spray, as you guys can see right now, and I'm just going to blow dry the hair section by section until I see that the hair is dry. And with the straightening blow dryer, it does straighten the hair a little bit, which makes it easier for me when I go in and flat iron the hair with my
oh no no no, oh no no no, oh no no no, oh no no no, yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl, ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs and run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. I don't know. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here.
So after I blow dried the hair, I'm now going to go ahead and show you guys exactly my flat iron test to see exactly how straight this hair can get with my flat iron.
Over here, but you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closing mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Ooh, baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no, just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind, no. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no, just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no, no. Oh no no no. Oh. Oh babe, 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 oh babe. Girl, tell me how you kept that frown, yeah. All the time that I've been right here with you. You haven't said a word, no. I've been trying so long, baby. I've been trying so long.
Okay, you guys, so I am done straightening the hair with my flat iron, and as you guys can see, the hair straightens very well. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is show you guys whether or not the hair will revert back to its kinky curly texture. And the only products that I will be using is my little spray bottle, and inside my spray bottle is some water, and I added some Aussie moisturizing conditioner to the water and mixed it in all together in the bottle. And I will be going in with my diamond brush just to define the curls.
Babe, oh yeah, oh yeah. To get that frown up off your face, girl, yeah. Cause I don't like to see my girl like that, no. Tell me, was it something I've done? Yeah. Cause I don't want tonight to be a hard one, no. And I just want you to come over here and now. Put your arms around me, no. And we ain't gotta worry about nobody else right now. Cause let's have some fun tonight. Yeah. If you didn't love me, I'll still love you. And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make it blue. There's something about the way you do what you do. Now girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. But girl, it's something and I don't know what you do. No, I don't know, no. Girl, I feel love when I take a look at the sky, oh. And I have never been in love this way, oh no. Cause girl, you're so special to me, even if you didn't love me. If you didn't love me, I'll still love you. And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make it blue.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look after I reverted the hair back to curly. As you guys can see, this hair can straighten as well as revert back to its kinky curly texture. So you guys, if you are interested in this kinky curly texture wig, I will leave all the information down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. And then make sure your notification is turned all the way on so you can get notified each and every time I upload new content. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And then also share this video with someone who would appreciate this tutorial. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.
There's something about the way you do what you do. Now girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. But girl, it's something and I don't know.